Now we have a series sigma r equals to 1 to n 4r plus 3, which is equals to 2n square plus 5n, right? So we have to prove that what is the statement. The statement is that the series sum is equals to 2n square plus 5n. We should only prove that. How to prove this series have the sum is that. So by using induction method we prove that this is the sum of this series is 2n square plus 5n, right? So let me take firstly when induction method n equals to 1. For n equals to 1, this is true or not. So when you take n equals to 1, then r equals to 1 to 1. So for r plus 3, which is equals to, when you take 2 into 2n square, which is equals to 1 square plus 5 1, so it is equals to 7, right? Then for r equals to n equals to 1, this is 2, right? Which is equals to 7 and it is equals to 7, then it is 2. Let for n equals to k, we assume that it is 2k square plus 5k. Now we can write that for k plus 1, if it is true for k plus 1, then it is true for all the next is true for all the series terms. Sum equals to 2n square plus 5n, right? Now put 4k plus 1, k plus 1. This is firstly we have to take 4 r equals to 1 to k plus 1. Then for k terms we have to substitute, and plus 4k plus term, k plus term we have to substitute differently. Okay, now for k plus 1 terms, this is 4 plus 4k plus 1 plus 3, right? And sigma 4r plus 3, this the value of this we assume that 2k square plus 5k, then it is 2k square plus 5k, and the value of this is 4k plus 4, that is 4 plus 3, which is equals to 7. Now 2k square plus 9k plus 7, right? Now when we want to take 2k square plus 5k types. Okay, 2n square plus 5n, right? For k plus 1. So if you break it in 4k plus 5k, then it is 2k square plus 4k plus 2 plus 5k plus 5. That becomes 2k plus 1 whole square plus 5k plus 1. So it is 2. This makes 2n square plus 5n. This makes that the statement for the sum by induction method, the sum of this series is 2n square plus 5n.